Yes, Pluto is not a planet anymore.
Ma'am, Pluto is not a planet.
Yes, it is not a planet anymore. Okay. Previously, we are thinking that Pluto is also a planet, but it is not. So, okay. I'm sharing the screen. Adil, I will mark you present. Don't worry about it.
Ma'am, I am Saptaparna. Please mark me present.
Okay, Shaptaparna, I will
Ma'am,
mark
the
you
first
present.
one is Earth, the second one is Venus, the third one is Mars, the
Yes.
fourth is Mercury, and the last one is Pluto. That Pluto
Okay.
is not a planet.
Yes. So, if you can see the size, that Venus is almost similar in size with Earth, but Mars and Mercury, they are smaller. Now, can you see this picture? This is Jupiter. See how big it is. There it is Earth in the very front. That is Earth. Compared to Earth, Jupiter is huge. Okay. And that is Saturn.
Ma'am, Jupiter.
Ma'am, I want to tell you. This is
Yes.
Jupiter.
Ma'am, what is
The first one is Jupiter, the
Okay.
second one is Saturn, the third one
Okay,
is
I'm muting everyone because I cannot hear everyone altogether. So when I ask you, you please raise hand. When I ask you, you will tell. Okay. I know you all know that. That's why I'm just showing you so that you know how big the planets are in compared to each other. So I'm sharing the screen. Okay, so this is Jupiter. Jupiter is so big compared to Earth. See here it is Earth and that is Jupiter, so bigger than the Earth. Then there is Saturn. This one is Saturn, that is also very big. Then it is Uranus, and that is Neptune. So see these planets that I saw you that you saw before, that are so tiny compared to these planets. Okay, now see how big the sun is. That is our sun. And see, this is Jupiter. So the sun is so much bigger than the other planets. That is sun, that is Jupiter, then that is Saturn, then that is Uranus, Neptune, and there are tiny planets, Earth and Venus and etc. So I wanted to show you this. Okay, now let me. Okay, I will ask one by one. Taskin, can you tell me? Can you tell me what is this?
Ma'am, it's a constellation.
Yes, it is the constellation. Very good. Priyam, can you tell me what is this?
Ma'am, this is a galaxy.
Yes, this is a
galaxy. This is
galaxy.
a galaxy.
Okay, not everyone
It's a
together.
black hole.
Galaxy.
Everyone.
We live in a galaxy. That is,
Yes.
in the galaxy in which we live, that is Milky Way.
Yes, this is the picture of Milky Way.
The name of our galaxy
Okay.
is Milky Way.
This is the picture of Milky Way.
Milk.
Okay, and this is also a galaxy. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So this name of this
This
galaxy.
is another galaxy.
Yes, another galaxy, and the name is Andromeda. Okay.
Andromeda.
Andromeda is a galaxy, not a constellation.
Yes.
And this one is
Yes,
a constellation. What is
Constellation.
when some stars?
Cygnus.
Cygnus.
This is Cygnus. Yes.
It is Cygnus.
Ma'am,
Yes.
this is Cygnus.
And this is Cygnus.
Okay, everyone, please quiet. So,
Pluto is
what is
me.
constellation? When
Keep
some
quiet.
group of stars, they form a recognizable shape, they are the constellations, right? We can see that is like a cross. Okay. So they can also be called Northern Cross. So Cygnus is a constellation.
Ma'am, the Pluto is this way. Ma'am, this is the moon planet. Ma'am, this is the natural Saturn. Ma'am, this is the moon.
Okay, everyone.
Moon is planet. This is the moon.
Okay. Please quiet, everyone. Quiet.
Ma'am, this is the moon.
Everyone, quiet.
Ma'am, this
Yes.
is the natural satellite of the Earth. Ma'am,
Yes.
is a planet.
Okay, I am muting everyone because everyone is speaking all together. So that was a moon, and moon is a satellite. You all know that. I know that you know, but moon is a satellite, and that is our satellite, the planet Earth's satellite. So like they have these planets, they also have satellites, but they have so many other satellites. Only some planets, they don't have satellite, but that is the moon is our satellite. We have only one natural satellite, that is the brightest thing in the sky. When you go out at night, we can see moon in the sky every time, not the full round moon, but some part of the moons we can always see. So the interesting thing about the moon, that we see it like bright colored, but they don't have any light of its own. Then then from where the light comes from? The light comes from the sun. So the light of the moon comes from the sun, and that is the brightest thing in the sky. Now there is something called inner planets and outer planets. See, these planets, they are inner planets. Why? Because they are closer to Earth, and they have some characteristics. They are small and rocky. Rocky means they have a solid surface. Like we stand on the ground, that is solid surface. So like Earth, Mercury, Venus, and Mars, they are called inner planets. They usually are closer to the sun. That's why they are called inner planets. And there is Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. These are outer planets. Why they are outer planets? They are further from the sun. They are not close like Earth, Mercury, like that. And another thing, Anindo, Binobo, don't fight. So what outer planets, they don't have any solid surface. They are very large and gaseous, like we saw here. So you can see they are very large. Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune, Saturn, they are very large. They are gaseous. They don't have any solid surface. So they are outer planets. Okay. So inner planets are Earth, Mercury, Venus, and Mars, and outer planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So that's it. And I will now ask you something. I will unmute you, everyone. So who can tell me what is the largest planet in our solar system?
Jupiter.
Yes,
Jupiter.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I am Priyamalika. I tell
Okay,
Jupiter.
everyone is correct. Everyone is correct.
I want to satellites of planet.
Okay, please raise hand, then I will hear you one by one. Okay, please raise hand, then I will hear you one by one. Taskin, what you want to say? Do you want to say anything, Taskin? No?
No, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Hornish, tell me what you wanted to say.
Ma'am, the inner planet The inner planets are Mercury, Earth and Mars, and they are called inner planets because they are inside the asteroid belt. And
Yes.
the planets like Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune
Yes.
are outside the asteroid belt. So
Yes.
they are outer
The
planets.
planets. Yes, very good, Ahornish. So, is this your favorite subject? Social studies?
Ma'am, SST?
Yes.
No, ma'am, my favorite subject is science.
Okay. Do you know this study of the space and what it is called? Do you know what kind of science it is called?
Ma'am, but I love astronomy.
Yes, very good. You love astronomy. That is, if you study physics and then it's a branch of physics. So, hopefully you will be, one day you will be studying physics and astronomy. So, very good, Ahornish. Okay, Deepayon, tell me, what do you want to say?
Ma'am,
Yes, tell me.
I know the moon why is natural satellite of Earth.
Oh, very good. Very good. Then. Okay, so moon is the natural satellite of Earth, and you know that, and other planets also have satellites. Like we have moon, they have also their own satellites. Okay, Arhat, tell me, what do you want to say?
Ma'am, I want to say how all the planets have how many satellites?
Yes, all the planets have satellites. Some have one satellite, some have two
Ma'am,
satellites.
Mercury and Venus do not have
Yes,
satellites.
yes,
Earth has one satellite, Mars has two satellites, and
yes,
Jupiter, Uranus, Neptune, Saturn has many satellites.
yes. They have many satellites, but the Mercury and Venus, they don't have any satellite. That's
Yes,
right,
ma'am.
Arhad. Very good. Now, Adrika, do you want to say anything? You raised hand?
Ma'am,
Yes?
I have present.
Yes, Adrika, I marked your present.
Why you make me as absent?
No, I did not make you absent. Did I? Oh, but I will update your attendance once the class is over, okay? The first time you were not there, that's why maybe I marked you. You don't need to worry, I marked you present, okay? I was into this class, that's why I marked you absent for the first last time. Okay, Ajika. Now, Priyam, do you want to say anything? Okay, okay. So, okay, Priyam Malik, no problem. Okay. And Aratrika, do you want to say anything? No?
Can I please share question?
Okay, I'm not asking question. I was showing you the pictures. That's why I was asking then. Okay, I'm not showing the pictures.
Please show the sun and the earth again.
Sun and the earth. Okay. This picture is the sun. And this is there where my point is, where the cursor is, that is earth. Okay. That is আমরা তো আছি থাকবো কি করে কোথায় আমরা তো আছি we are here but when we are on the earth but we can it is so large that we cannot see the end of it. So sun is so much bigger, but why we can see sun like the size of moon? আমাদের এই রকমই সাইজ দেখি না সানের, almost same size as moon. Why? Because sun is so far away from us. That's why we can see, like, see. That is a picture of sun, the red giant burning ball. That is sun, and here it is earth. So we are the third planet on this, and we are orbiting the sun like this. So that is
Yes.
first, that is Mercury, then that is Venus. They are rotating around the sun, and that is Earth, right? So we are rotating like this. So we are so far away from the sun that we see sun of almost this size, almost this size, and moon is closer to us. That's why they are this size. Okay. So
Yes.
that's it. Now I think we have covered what is universe. When universe is the big sea of where we can see there is sun, there is other stars, and there are planets, and there are other heavenly bodies like asteroids, comets, meteors. They are also present in the universe, and there are so many galaxies in the universe. Like we live in one galaxy, Milky Way. And how the universe is formed? There was an explosion. One day something exploded and the universe is created, and all the planets are created, and all the stars are created. Okay, so the explosion is called Big Bang. The name of the explosion, the scientists gave the name of the explosion as Big Bang. Then the stars are created. The stars are like sun, but they are so far away from us that we see just like they are blinking. They are so small, and there are so many stars. Now we know what is a constellation. The group of stars, usually in a recognizable shape or pattern, are called constellation. In our solar system, there is sun and 8 other planets. You know the name of them. Then you know what is outer planet and inner planets. The Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, they are called inner planets. They don't have this they are the rocky surface. They have a very solid rocky surface. And there are outer planets, which are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune, and they are called gas giants because they are made of gas. They don't have any rocky surface. Now planets, they don't have their own light and heat. They reflect the light of the sun, and they just reflect it. Even our moon, they also, our satellite moon, they also it also reflects the light of the sun. Mercury and Venus, they don't have any satellite. So now we'll do the exercise quickly. Okay. Okay, first let me unmute you. Then we will do the exercise quickly. Exercise.
Ma'am, can I tell you?
Yes.
Ma'am, can I tell you what is satellite?
Okay, everyone. Okay, Priyam, very good. But
the second one is ma'am, can I? The third one is stars. The fourth one is leaves. The fifth one.
Okay, Sharona, very good. But we'll also.
I have already done this chapter. And ma'am, can I tell you what is satellite?
Okay, everyone, just listen to me first. Listen to me first. If you have completed the chapter, it's very good. But we'll have to do it because not everyone has completed. So if you have completed the exercise, that's very good. But we'll have to do it again because not everyone has completed. So when I ask you to answer, then only you answer. Okay, otherwise don't unmute and don't tell me the answers. Okay, when I ask you, then you can also tell me. If you want to tell anything, just raise hand. I will ask. Odrika, do you want to tell me anything? Do you want to tell me anything, Odrika? Okay, I'm lowering all hands. If you have any queries, anything to say, just raise hand. I will not hear anything.
Ma'am,
Otherwise,
the Pluto is dismissed. Ma'am,
please raise hand.
ma'am,
Yes, Taskin.
ma'am, why Pluto is not a planet?
To be qualified as planet, they have some heavenly bodies. If you, I mean, scientists have created three criteria. If you qualify, then you will be a planet. If you don't qualify, you will not be a planet. So Pluto doesn't qualify all three criteria. That's why Pluto is not a planet anymore. Okay, Tasneem?
Ma'am, Aratrika, why you unmute me?
I have not unmuted you. Do I? Did I? Okay, I will mute you again. If you have any question, please raise hand. Odrika, tell me.
The star, what is closet into the earth is called sun.
Yes. Okay, Odrika. Very good. But we'll do the exercise again. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, from the start. Ahornish, tell me. Ahornish, do you want to tell anything? Ahornish, you have raised hand. Why you have raised hand? If you want to tell me, just tell me. Otherwise, we'll be doing the exercise, but I think we'll do it tomorrow because today time is over. So we'll do the exercise tomorrow.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Ahornish, tell me.
Ma'am, I want to tell that the largest star in the world is UY Scuti, and it's 1,700 times bigger than the sun.
Okay, very good. Very good, Ahornish. So you keep reading these things. Very good for you. Okay, Adrija, tell me.
Ma'am, I want to show you something.
Yes, show me. Okay, what is that? Oh, is that headphone?
I made this in my own.
Oh, very good. Very good, Adrija.
Adrija, again see. My father buy a table. Adrija, again see.
Okay,
The
Adrija.
wheels are broken.
Okay.
That's why he made it.
Okay, Adrija, can
With
you
hairband
please?
and wheels.
Very good, Adrija. Can you show it again? Because Shampurna is asking. Shampurna wants to see it.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Sampurna, can you see? Yes, Adrija.
Okay. Very good, Adrija.
Very good.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. So now